my mama, that shit hard,
Alright, see he's getting his moves out already.
Hey!
See, we're like Brazil, we prepare our celebrations. We also practice our penalties. Yeah, our standing goalkeeper today. Wait. Go, the boys are ready. Go, bro. Why is that hair done, man? What's going on there? Who would touch you with a razor? Oh, we got Carlo. Not even playing, he's showing off. We got Mr. Cub United, the legend himself, Big Bright, Unlove, back in the game. We're taking this seriously today. 3 defeats in a row, it ain't gonna be 4. J-Dog back in town. Protecting the head, it's too cold to go on their ball. Hey, yo, late arrival, that's a fight. Who's this mofo right here?
I'm gonna leave you alone. You know, I'm playing. I'm playing today. Let's go!
Better late than never, Gaffer. That's still a fine though. You might be looking fine, that's still a fine.
Please say.
So this is the pitch today. Absolutely freezing. It's still snowing, still specks of snow in the air. Sappy at Mount House cleaning the lines for us. All still moving nicely. I think we're good to go.
Yeah. What you saying?
Struggling to fucking talk after that game yesterday.
Yeah, John's buzzing about it though. John's happy.
Well, what? You supporting the French?
He's French.
You supporting the French?
He's French.
No, man, get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here.
Half of these dons are French. It's fucking annoying, bro.
From Ivory Coast, yeah, but I'm born and raised in France, innit? So obviously it makes sense.
But you live in England now.
Sorry.
They got to do him like that. They got to do him like that.
Mbappe was shit yesterday. Yo, Carl Walker had him in the pocket, bro. Had him in the pocket all game.
Just showed Kane had that fucking penalty in the stand.
What?
Every time Walker tried it,
What happened?
Mbappe had 3 players around him.
No,
At one time,
Mbappe got put in the pocket by Walker yesterday, bro.
Yeah.
What did Mbappe do the whole game?
doesn't matter.
Exactly, got held out, bro.
He doesn't matter, my friend.
Man, I'm saying no, it's come on Morocco.
We're gonna win it, bro. We're going to Morocco.
Yo boys, listening, yeah? We're playing a back three today, yeah? Back three. Morris on the left, yeah? Reece central, yeah? Ali on the right or the left, whichever one. Talk to Cole, yeah? Midfield, Donzo, as always. Captain today, yeah? As well. We've got Dribble in midfield, playing the 10 role. Alongside Dribble, we have Fortune, Hamid on one side, Issa on one side, and up top, Keaton and Shady, yeah? Alright? Everyone else will be getting the game today, boys, so don't worry.
The back three looking strong still. The back three looking strong.
It's on the way. The Edwin,
Let's play.
School of Motors. Get in touch for all your driving needs.
And it's touch. Manon. Who's that? Yeah, play it easy.
Very casual start by Gang.
Oh! time.
First shot comes from the gang boys. Over the bar. Nothing much to speak about so far. Little favour. Puts on the burners and gets in on behind. Ball goes out for a corner. Gang trying to move side to side. Lovely through ball by Jibril. Keaton holds it up well. Looks for his pass. Comes out wide to H. H for the first time touching the ball through in. Oh, lovely little through ball. Unlucky by Keaton. Great running. Great start. Gang coming off 3 defeats. Looking like they want to make a statement this game. 3 cup defeats, that is. Ball out wide to H again. Can H cause some magic here? Oh, he goes for the goal. That's unlucky. Wins the corner. Unlucky by Gang. Kyle looks to go feet, gets cut out. Ball gets spread out wide. First touch, not there, but still keeps possession. Lucini Dodzina making a nuisance of himself, giving him no inch to breathe. Oh, casual by Reese. What a lovely first touch to bring that down and get us moving again. Great cut out. Lally strong. Ball still in. Ball still in. Oh, cheeky. Hey, don't try to shake my hand after you kick me down like that. You mad? Lally should have kicked you in your ankles. Corner for Gang. Little winner by the header. Oh, that's out wide. Couple man are saying Shady should have buried that. But we move. It's still early on and it's cold, so we let him off with it. Another chance on the corner. Goes begging. Getting them chances, but we're not putting them away. Got to start putting these goals away, otherwise it might come to haunt us. Little hedge injury. Slight delay to the game, but we're back on the way. Little chop by the centre half, looks to go forward. Gang are trying to play again. Lovely through ball by Jibril. And a cushion into the bottom corner by Keaton. What a finish, kid. The through ball was different. A lovely ball and a lovely finish to round it up. Edwin's boys look like they all stopped, asking for the offside. Gang are 1 up now. Let's see if they can capitalise and make more of this. Ball comes out wide. Fortune, lovely little touch out. Through ball. Over the top. Oh, great defending. Lovely little touch again to keep it going. Shady lands on it. Is he going to drop it back? Nice, looking to try to find the eye of the needle. Oh, the ball was correct. Just no runner. The ball intention was correct, but just no runner. Edwin's team still ain't had a shot. Maybe they can get one out of this free kick. No, won't pull that shot. Cleared out. Hamid, 1v1. Great defending. Theatrics by Noah Vaughan. H on the ball. Nice little flick. Oh, great touch. Fortune with a strike. Ooh, if that was on target, probably causes a bit of damage. Oh, lovely bit of footwork by Jibril. So casual in the middle of the park. New signing. Ball over the top by Kyle. Lovely way to pass. Fortune with loads of time. Ball into the area. Bang. Still in play. Collected by their middleman. Kyle trying to get them out to play. But he puts the ball out of play.
Listen, he needs help, man. He needs help.
Fortune goes down again. This guy's sick note. Every day goes down. Good touch. Through ball again. Oh, poor defending. Keeper does well though to collect it. Great header by Lucini Dodzini. Can Issa get himself into the game? Oh, shady, lovely little turn, but loses the ball. Gets help by Keaton. Keaton hits one straight at the keeper.
Let's go, Hamid. Let's go forward, yeah. Issa.
About halfway through the first half.
Edwin
Thank you.
Drop.
still ain't had a shot yet. Oh, there's their first shot. I won't call that a shot to be fair. It's a ball hit back from the keeper.
No, I thought that was going in.
Into the striker. Gang going at it again. Still only 1-0 though. Oh, a lovely little run. Out wide. Cleaned up again by Edwin's back four. Here we go. No. The back line looked too casual today. They ain't had nothing to do, to be fair. Lucini with a cushion ball in the air. Gang keeping possession well. Keaton looking for the strike here. Oh, he hits one. Oh my God. Keaton's come back with a vengeance. That strike was lovely. Cannot complain. Took the ball out of his feet. Touched it out. Crossed his body. And a hit. Flew into the top corner. Couldn't have been more precise. What a finish by Keaton. Speechless. I can't even comment. Jibril, cheeky, absolute Dinkinovich. Just looks at the keeper, sees him off his lines, and just absolutely chips him. That's cheeky. You've got to be bags of confidence to try things like that. Saturday or Sunday field. I mean, what more can I say? What a finish by Jibril. Kisses the badge, kisses the cam. Debut goal. Welcome to the squad, lad. Gang, 3-0 up now. This could open up more. More to come. Ali cuts inside. 1-2s. Ball out. Oh, that's unlucky. Would have been a fantastic goal. Issa, 1v1. Gets cut short. Kyle with a ball to Fortune's feet. Fortune let him have it. Quality tackle by Kyle Morris. Lovely little tackle there. Noah. I don't know if that was a shot or do we class that as a shot? Let me know in the comments, Kyle. Because I still ain't seen a shot yet. Oh, here we go. This could be their first shot. Favour goes in. Yeah, we'll call that a shot. 2 shots in 1 attack. I'm not giving Benny the shot for that one. There's no chance. Lovely ball out to Issa. Skeezer's rapid. Takes it across, puts it in the back of the net. What more? What more could we say? What a goal. 4-0. This could be a big scoreline for Edwin.
Yo, Issa, that's how you play soccer.
Lovely finish. Favour again on the ball. Oh, Benny. Oh, Benny. Benny's on skates today. Ball out wide to Keaton again. Can Keaton get a hat-trick in this game? All within the first half. Skips past one. Rocket again. Oh, he hits the post. Oh, that's very unlucky by Keaton. Could have had his hat-trick in the first half. Hamid stands one up on the back post. Oh, foul. Ali trying to cause some havoc of his own. He's beat 3 man, 4 man. I thought he could have had a shot. Hamid. Oh. 4-0. Little through ball into Benny. Benny trying to open them old legs. Lovely bit of play by Benny. Muzzy shots. They get another shot in the game from a different phase of play. Oh, a lovely little through ball with the outside of the foot. Favour, 1v1. Oh. Goes wide. Goes wide. And that's the half.
You said?
50!
Let's go, man.
Do your thing, man.
We're doing good. We just need to get the ball. We just need to move the ball quicker. That's it. We're taking too many touches because it's 4-0. All we need to do, pop, get in a box, have a shot. That's it. We need more goals, man. We've lost 3 games on the bounce. Fucking shit. Now let's prove something. Let's dig these now. Double digits. Come on.
Let's go, bro. Standard. That's all that's needed to be said. Carlo, you got anything to say, brother? I got nothing to
It's
say.
looking good out there, boys. Just tighten up a bit, because that ball is going to keep coming through, yeah? That's it. Foot, don't drop too high up, yeah? Dribble's playing the 10, yeah? So you need to sit side by Lucini, bro, because you're floating too much that way.
I know that. Is that the match ball?
Yeah, the dogs took over the ball still. Hey, yo, F, you owe some money still.
Best dribbler of the day.
And we're off for the second half. Edwin's team get us underway. Trying to keep possession. Get a little grip of the game. Enjoy the ball.
Oh, Shady was on. Oh, Shady's on. Lisa, Shady's on. Shady's on.
Shady must be on.
Well done. Move it again, Shady.
Holds the ball well. Now move it again. Lovely little free ball. Keaton for the hat trick. Oh, lovely first touch. Shit. Oh!
He's doing it again.
Hey, listen.
He's doing it again.
Someone get rid of this guy. Hey, yo, Shady, point blank puts one over the bar again. We have to get the replay. Oh my God.
Oopsie, he's done it again.
I don't know what happened, but he'll have some sort of excuse for that.
Well, then, Issa.
Cheeky little header by Fortune.
What?
Shady uses the body well. Keaton goes for the wonder again. It's unlucky, goes wide.
Great strength, man. Well done.
Ah, lovely little turn in the middle of the park by Kyle. Takes the ball out well. Lovely little pass. Great challenge. I don't know how that's a free kick. Looked like a fantastic challenge to me. Big Muzzy. It's them fragile legs. Cleaned up by the gang defence again. Keaton really wants his hat-trick. Can he get it? Yes, no he can't.
Save keeper.
Gets another stab at it. Can he pull it back or is he going to go for goal? Pulls it back. Finish. Finished by Fortune. Casual goal. This is turned into a training game. 5-0. Look at him. Staring at the camera like it's a normal thing for him to score goals. Are you mad? You're a centre half, dog.
What? 7.
Great finish. Nice and casual.
Nah, Fortune for Shady for Robbie. Keaton, you need a goal, bro.
Go on.
Ball out wide again. Ganga going for it. Ganga trying to get a statement raised here.
Bring him. You will never make it.
It's mad. 3 defeats in the cups. And we're back in league action trying to take command. Can Gang concede here? The ball are through. Oh, great save. Great save by Patrick.
Hey, Brian, take your jacket off. Robbie, take your jacket off. Both going on, man. Take your jackets off.
Oh. I don't know if he meant that or he done himself.
What's that, Keaton and Shady? Keaton needs his goal, man. Yo, get your goal.
Leave Keaton on for a bit.
Isa, gone. Isa's gone. Looking for the strike. That's unlucky. Great save by the keeper.
He's wild off his line every time. So get stronger. Ref, next time he goes.
Looking like the changes are about to be made. Oh, what? Was that finish? Oh, that's unlucky. That's unlucky.
Issa, come on, bro. Job done. Job done.
Changes have been made. Issa's coming off. Nobody wants to come off. Everyone wants goals. Enjoying the game. Lovely little turn by Robbie. Oh, what a through ball by Shay. Can he get his goal? No, he can't. Robbie trying to clean up. Bounce on it early. Chops 1, chops 2, left foot. Wild. Wild. Fortune.
Nah. Oh.
That's unlucky. Saw the keeper off his line and went for it. That's unlucky. Little favour on the ball again. Gives it away. It's gone for the strike. Straight into the keeper's hands. Comfort. Little favour, skipping through 2, skip through 3, shot wide again. Great header by Ali.
Time.
What about Dido back on the ball? Can he beat favour on 1v1? Uses his line. Ali, ball in. Skips past the defence. Can you square it? Oh, how have we not scored? Is it going to be a goal? Yes, it is. Shady finally gets one.
Scrappiest goal I've ever seen.
Look how he thinks he's so sick with the scrappiest, shittest goal ever. Listen, don't get gassed, bro. You've missed the sitter and scored a comfortable goal where I think Ali should have tried taking it on himself. Great run by Ali. Even that he nearly missed. Look at him, excited now he's got one. Well done, Shady. A goal's a goal. They all go to the tally. Tapping or screamers. They all count for one. They're back in again. Attacking. Oh, little favour. Puts one just over the bar again. A little bright spark. Favour. Lucini Dodzini. Never lets anything go.
Game's gone anyway.
Go. Ball out wide. Brian Underlove. Can he get his goal? Shady looking like he's limping in the back post. I think Shady might have pulled out, looking injured.
Let's do it.
It's looking like all Edwin's team now. They're getting a few chances, getting in the right areas, just can't finish. Big Benny's been quiet this game, to be fair. He ain't come alive yet. He ain't got much time to come alive. Kyle puts the ball into the areas, cut out by Reese. Oh, they win it again. Goal. To be fair, Little Favour was looking like he was going to get one the whole game, to be fair. Fair play to him. Getting himself that goal.
You get 5 more now.
This game's looking high and dry, to be fair. I don't think there's any more to come for this. There's a dangerous free kick here. Putting it to the right areas. Shady misses the header. Everyone waves their hands in the air to praise the Lord. But he's looking like he's injured, to be fair. So we let him off. Zongo trying to pull the strings in the middle of the park. Lovely football going forward. Oh, Twinkle Toes. Twinkle Toes, Robbie gets a free kick. Uh-oh, what is this stance? Oh, he's gone over it. All that commotion for that. All that commotion just to do that. We should slap him. Zongo looking forward. Brian with a lovely first touch. Skips past the defence. I trust him to finish. 100% I do. What a finish by Brian. Like a postman, isn't he? Every time he scores, he don't need to celebrate. That's his job. Great finish by Brian. 7-1. Gotta be it now. Gotta be the end of the game. (7-1). Gang returning to the league action with a 7-1. I don't think there's much left in this game now.
Family for generations, man.
My laces have been like this the whole game. The whole game.
Great save by the keeper. Didn't really look like it was going to trouble him though, to be fair.
Another minute or two.
I only missed. Is that it?
And that's the game.
Is that it? Score.
7-1.
Shady's compilation is going to be amazing at the end of the season. Triple goals. He needs his own compilation.
Hey, listen here. Why did this guy stay on the pitch? Why? You could have just left Keaton. We could have scored 8, 9, 20.
No, not we. Did you score?
Yeah,
Oh, you did.
exactly. Did you score? Huh? Yeah. Oh, yeah, shit. My boy.
Yeah, Shane,
Hey,
injured.
Sully, did you
Are
call?
you injured?
Yeah, my fucking groin's gone, bro.
Yeah,
Been gone since first half.
How are we running on the pitch thinking you scored and the ball goes out wide?
Because the keeper saved it.
He didn't save it. He didn't touch it.
I thought
He did not touch
I won't
it.
lie, bro. He said himself.
We got the footage, we've got the
Yeah, we're gonna replay that shit.
Well done,
Where's
boys.
the keeper? He's there.
Well done. Ah, you were freezing, innit? That's the camera.
Lucky day.
Hey, look, it's skill.
We've been smashed 3 times in a row. Playing old men, 40-year-old, just remember that. Yeah?
4 times the charm.
Hey, Sully!